Howdy folks, we've just come across some bird nest fungus. What it does, it's in the family of artillery fungus, and it shoots off little spores that land on your house, and they turn into these little black dots all over your house. So they can shoot up to 18 feet. So if Adam pans around to that bird in the garden there, that behind that bird about 1.5 foot is the dead, or what's remaining, that dark patch. And they can be a bit tricky to move. Sometimes they come off really easy, and other times when you scratch them off they leave a little shadow on your paint. So some people have mistaken it for grinder, spark marks and all sorts of things, but that's what it is. It's just a natural occurrence, and it comes in normally with new mulch. So if you get mulch from new mulch coming in and you remulch your gardens and then you go and water them, bang, the spores within the mulch start growing, and then off you go. You've got fungus everywhere. But they don't last long, but they can make a big mess. So if you see them, give it a spray with a fungicide or an algaecide, and that'll take care of it.
I wanna get to know you.
Destroy.